Hi, Tony here from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we'll be looking at how to measure a brass ceramic tap cartridge. There's a guide on the website of how to measure these tap cartridges, but I'm going to just do a quick show for you. When measuring, make sure you use a metal rule. If I show you a tape measure, you can see here, look at that. There's a lot of play in these, so that can give you a false reading of 1 or 2 mil, not serious amounts, but enough. So always try and use a metal ruler. So the first measurement we look at is the total measurement, which on this one is 50. The next measurement is from the underneath of the collar to the top. Again, that's about 27. Then we're talking about the splines. Spline height, which is 10, down to the first nut, which is 16, and then down to the collar, which is about 21. So the next thing is the spline count, and this can be difficult. It's quite, as you can see, it's quite tricky. If you can get hold of the spline gauge, it makes life very much easier. As you can see, you can just work your way along until you find the right one. That's nice and tight, and that's a 820 spline. Another way of doing it is to mark with pencil, so you can know where you're starting and where you're finishing, and then just work your way around counting them till you get back to your pencil mark. The other thing we'll look at is the direction of what these close and open. Now, a lot of people get bogged down at being obsessive about red being hot and blue being cold. It's actually not. It's red shuts off is an anti-clockwise close, and blue is a clockwise close. Because some taps you would use 2 anti-clockwise or 2 clockwise turning. So you'd have 2 red or possibly 2 blue. So the colour is not important. Except for the way they shut and open. It has nothing to do with hot and cold. That's something quite important.